Hello, everyone. I'm Adrian. It is very nice meeting all you guys that I have never met before. I'm your tax preparer. I probably have been doing your taxes for years now, and I've never met you guys. So here I am, and again, it's nice to meet you. And I appreciate you guys returning to me for the tax season. I made this video to go over a few updates for the 2017 tax season. And I've already sent out the newsletter, but I would like to go over them with you. So forgive me because I'm reading from the paper. So I'll be looking back and forth. So first things first, last year the early filing date was what was it, January the 11th. Hopefully the date is the same. That is the tentative date. So hopefully I can start January the 11th. For all my self-employment people, that means you guys should have already had your paperwork filled out and in, and I should have already given you a quote so that on the 11th, all I have to do is file because we're not waiting on W-2s. Let's see. Everyone else, I've already sent out the paperwork, like I said. And I appreciate, you guys, if you have already sent it back, it takes, it just makes the process more smoother. Because a lot of what I do is just basic paperwork, plugging in information. So just please don't forget to turn in the documents you need to turn in. All of that is listed right above the signature before you submit it back to me, of everything you need to turn in, such as ID, social security cards for your dependents. And that is really for the new clients. For old clients, you don't have to send in anything unless there's an update to your license. Change in your name. The only other thing you should send in is proof of your direct deposit, and that goes for everyone because it allows me to cross-check what you wrote down on the form, so there are no mistakes on, writing down the incorrect information as far as your direct deposit. And every year I get a few people whose refunds are extremely delayed because they make a mistake and put the wrong number down. So with that being said, for your direct deposit, just send in like a voided check, a bank statement, something that identifies your routing and account number. Okay, so you can send those documents straight to my fax 404-443-0647 or email them to me. Everything else is electronic. So the paperwork I send over, you can literally just type into the fields and submit them back. And by the way, I'm getting over a cold. So forgive all that extraness going on. Let's get to it. So, of course, by now, you probably, been getting terrified about this new PATH Act that was passed by the IRS. And what it means is that the refunds are to be delayed, until mid-February or the end of February. Because they are, just cross-checking and taking a little bit more time to prevent identity theft and, do the things that the IRS does all the time. But don't panic because that's nothing new. Like, most of you guys receive your refund in February anyway. So I think that they are just verbally telling you guys, probably for legal matters, that they've been doing this all along. And they're going to continue to do it. And here's the reason, or the legalities of why they can do it. So don't panic. You didn't get your refund to mid-February last year anyway. So in the meantime, and in between time, I'm offering that advance still. So when I process your tax return and it's accepted by the IRS and you still want to apply for a $1,000 advance, make sure you indicate that on your paperwork. You'll get approved within 24 hours of the acceptance from your return. Let's see. What else? What else is new? I'm still offering for you to be able to pick your refund up in cash at Walmart. I think that was such a genius thing to do. They started it last year, and anything that's new starts off a little shaky, but for the most part, a lot of my clients signed up for it and they loved it. They literally went to go pick up cash at Walmart. Just make sure you clutch on to that purse a little bit tighter. Also, of course, the same other methods, direct deposit, you have it uploaded to or I can put it to a prepaid debit card. And of course you can get a check cut if that's what you want to do. What's new? I did open up an office for you guys that have other clients that you want to refer, have not met me, and just prefer a more traditional setting. For some reason it makes people comfortable sometimes when they see a physical human being, I guess. But I prefer remote services. But anyway, it's there. I'm out in Conyers. Come and see me. 1775 Parker Road, Building C, Suite 210 through 214. And that's in Conyers, Georgia, 30094. Make sure you call before you come. Schedule an appointment because I am carrying my second child this year. And I'm not going to be sitting in the office all the time. It's just not going to work. So it's by appointment only. I think that's pretty much it. Excuse me. As far as, housekeeping. Let's see. Oh, let's go over a few new things regarding sweeping services. So, I've been doing credit sweeping for a while now. I get great results. I always have satisfied customers. And so what I decided to do is keep this $3.99 price going on because people love it. And, I can sweep up to 21 items. So this $3.99 price includes me sweeping your credit one time. Whatever your results are, your results after that. If you need me to continue to work on it, I have a second package. It's $7.50. It is for 3 months. I will work on your credit sweep until up to 3 months worth of sweeping. And then I have the $9.99 package. That's a to-do-it-yourself kit. I'm teaching you how to do it. You can do it, keep it forever, use it on family members, use it again if you mess up again. Either way, I think I got a package for everyone. And of course, that $3.99 is a heck of a deal. So make sure you jump on it. And of course, it can be deducted from your refund. So just make sure you indicate it if that's what you want. The cool thing is I am now offering bank sweeping, rental history sweeping, and check system sweeping. And what that means is I can get things removed off of those histories. Such as evictions, such as I did not pay my apartment complex because I had to leave. Whatever. Closed bank accounts. I can get those things removed. Just as well as I can get anything removed from your credit report. The reason why is because I do not dispute based on whether or not what is on your credit report is valid. It is irrelevant to the process. I dispute based on whether or not these credit bureaus have the right to display what should be on your credit or what shouldn't be on your credit. And a lot of times you catch them in what I call little white lies, which, gets me to remove them easily and permanently. So if you're interested, you can get more information on my website under the credit consulting tab. Or I'm pretty sure somebody that I've already done and has gotten great results. So just let me know if you want to sign up for it. Let's see. I think that's it. Hold on, I'm sorry. Oh, just a few incentives. Of course, my prices had went down last year. They are remaining the same. So, you guys are getting the pennies worth from me. I still offer low prices on credit repair. I'm sorry, not credit repair. Yeah, credit repair too, but tax preparation services. I'm underneath the main businesses, and if you compare my prices to a lot of others, you are getting a heck of a deal. Of course, if you refer up to 5 clients, I give you $25 per client. I give $25 off for new clients, of course. I offer same day services. So as long as you turned in everything that I need to prepare your tax return, I will file it that day. That's a promise. I'm open 7 days a week because I do offer remote services. So, anytime you guys contact me, give me 24 hours. I'll contact you back. Just keep in mind, I'm doing all of this, so to make it fair to everyone and to give you guys your money's worth. I respond to you guys and make sure you're satisfied. A couple giveaways this year. I'll be doing a drawing for a 60-inch Samsung flat screen TV. I'll do a drawing for a credit sweep, one bank sweep, one rental history sweep. Wait, I'm sorry. 2 credit sweeps. Yep. So it's going to be quite a few drawings. And of course, if you are contacted and you win, you win. So, last thing, of course, I still offer audit protection. A lot of you guys ask me what that is. That is a service that I provide. That I am your advocate for when you are audited for assistance. 99.9% of my clients, I get their audits cleared up. If they need assistance, I speak on their behalf, work on their behalf. It covers up to $2,500 worth of damages. Also, if it is not cleared up. So, excuse me, sorry, forgot to put my phone on on silent, but I'm done with the video anyway, so you can't get me there. Anyhow, let's get through this season. Again, I appreciate you guys coming back to me and being my clients. It's always good for small businesses, or just you guys to support small businesses. So I appreciate that, and I look forward to working with you during the tax season. Bye-bye.